Hey everyone, Cody with the Recast team here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through some of the differences between the Community Edition and the Enterprise Edition of right-click tools. Before we dive in, just a quick note. This video is meant to give you a high-level overview of the differences between Community and Enterprise. We won't go over every single tool or feature, but we will look at the main categories that really set them apart. Right-click tools gives IT administrators powerful ways to manage a config manager and Intune devices faster and smarter. But what's the difference between the free Community Edition and the paid Enterprise Edition? Let's break it down. Starting with the core tools. Both Community and Enterprise gives you the same essential right-click tools. In Community, you'll get client actions, console tools, and some basic security tools. With Enterprise, you keep all of that, plus extended actions that help larger teams and environments. In short, both editions get you started quickly, but Enterprise takes it a step further. Dashboards and visibility. Community users don't have access to dashboards. Enterprise, however, unlocks full dashboards and reporting. This means that you can see compliance, software updates, and other trends at a glance across your entire environment, instead of looking at one device at a time. Scale and multi-device actions. Community is designed mainly for single device actions. Enterprise enables collection level and multi-device actions, as well as multi-user actions. You can act on hundreds or even thousands of devices in just a few clicks, saving you massive amounts of time. Security and governance. In Community, there are no role-based permissions or audit logs. That's fine for small teams, but larger orgs need oversight. Enterprise adds role-based permissions and detailed audit trails, so you can always know who's running which actions. This ensures greater control and accountability across your IT teams. Infrastructure and automation. Community has no central management or automation features. Enterprise, on the other hand, introduces the Recast management server, cross-domain support, automated workflows, and the ability to scale securely in larger environments. If you need central control and repeatable automation, Enterprise makes that possible. Intune and co-management. Both Community and Enterprise now support Intune. With Community, you'll get basic Intune functionality through the right-click tools browser extension. With Enterprise, you gain deeper Intune integration and powerful co-management features alongside Config Manager. That means you can manage hybrid environments more effectively and report on more advanced scenarios. In summary, here's the difference at a glance. Community is free, with core tools for device-level actions. Enterprise adds dashboards, security, multi-device support, automation, and advanced Intune integration. Whichever edition you choose, right-click tools helps you manage endpoints faster, smarter, and with greater confidence. As an added bonus, outside of the scope of the core right-click tools, we also offer module add-ons to right-click tools Enterprise, and those add-ons are patching. Right-click tools patching is our third-party application patching solution, with over 4,000 applications packaged and ready for you to deploy to either Intune or Config Manager. Right-click tools Insights. Insights gives you advanced reporting and additional data points that are not natively available in Config Manager or other ITSMs. Right-click tools Privileged Access. Privileged Access allows you to provide secure self-service elevation to your end users, as well as automated rights management to keep your environment as secure as possible by removing any unnecessary local admin rights. This was just a quick high-level overview of the differences between right-click tools Community and Enterprise. If you want to learn more, don't hesitate to reach out.